What is that? Hey, Lily. Oh, did that come apart?
We did it.
You did it. I know you did it. Who's in there?
No.
Did you put the farmer in?
No.
Where did he go?
It's here.
Right here. Here. He's on the roof now. Well, I don't know. He didn't stay up there. You're crooked. It's not going to stay. Here. There.
Gosh.
How many animals do you have?
Two. Two.
2 animals? Who's that? Who's saying? Is that the cat? Or is it that? That's the lamb.
Yeah.
You want to sing?
Oh, my pigs. My pigs.
Your pigs? Here's your pigs right here. Here's some.
Yeah.
Where's your pig go?
Yeah.
Been busy playing Little People all day, right, Lily?